case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, a dispute arose between South Florida landowners and a group of third-party plaintiffs, later known as the sprayers, over responsibility for cleaning up contaminated property. The case, South Florida Water Management District vs. Montalvo, centered on whether a party could be held liable under CERCLA for arranging the disposal of hazardous substances, implying involvement or responsibility in the disposal process. The third-party plaintiffs, which included Commerspray, Inc., Chemspray, Inc., Glades Formulating Corporation, and Juan Montalvo, were found guilty of violating CERCLA and subsequently sued the landowners for allegedly arranging the disposal of hazardous substances on their property. The district court, however, dismissed the sprayers' claim. Upon appealing the decision, the sprayers argued that the landowners should be held liable for the contamination that occurred on their property due to the aerial spraying services causing pesticide waste spills. Nevertheless, the court affirmed the district court's dismissal, stating that the allegations in the sprayers' complaint did not amount to a CERCLA claim against the landowners. The court ruled that the sprayers failed to establish that the landowners arranged for the disposal of pesticide wastes and, as such, could not be held liable under CERCLA.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.